Can you tell us how can we get the cleanest cut out of our machine?
Good question. So, the misconception out there with diamond blades is you can buy one blade and cut everything you're going to do. That's in tile, that's in stone, that's in brick, block, all of it. And that's not the case. It's very critical that you match the right blade with the right material. Okay. So what IQ has done is we've done that. So that, you know, we talked about this one earlier. This is our combo blade, 10-inch blade. And I usually tell people this blade is going to cut probably 60 or 70% of everything you're going to do pretty well. But should you get into a situation where this one's having trouble, it's getting hot, it's maybe starting to flex or wobble, that's a good indication that it's not cutting. Then you might need the hard material blade. In that case, we designed a blade, our hard material blade, which is you know, for that harder porcelain, maybe a granite or something that you find that the combo blade's having trouble cutting. So then on the other spectrum, you have something really soft like a marble. We've designed another blade for marble, for the softer compounds. And that'll cut them smooth without the chips. And then last but not least, the tiles have gotten thicker. We've designed what we call our turbo. It's a little more aggressive. It's for that medium to hard material that's generally like a 2 cm, 3/4 of an inch or so thick. That's designed for that, and it's working really well. But it's a little bit more aggressive cut. So,
well, I can see the difference in the blades as well.
Yeah, you can see the matrix changes in each one of those. A little different the way it's designed. Back to all the technology that goes into IQ's blades.
Right. Thank you.